万丈高楼平地起，财富都在车间里，花花世界迷人眼，流水线上不内卷。
If you want to go deeper and pump deeper, and does not produce oil pollution to the water, shielded deep well pump is the best choice for everyone. Shield pump is no mechanical seal structure. Solve the problem of motor leakage of traditional water pump. Shield pump using graphite bearings. Graphite bearings have strong self-lubrication and corrosion resistance. Reliable operation can be carried out in the form of water lubrication. Shielding motor in the process of processing. The main thing is the welding process of our casing. If the welding is not good, it will directly lead to coil water and motor damage phenomenon. Before mass production, we all cut the product after welding. Use our quadratic testing equipment to check our welding depth and ensure a welding effective. The product. After welding, we will fill the product with epoxy seal, and then we have our machining process. I think the turning process in the manufacturing process is also very important. After processing, the product can better ensure the concentric Y between our rotor and the motor. We purchase imported CNC lathes at high prices to process our products. To ensure the consistency and stability of the products produced, we use a coordinate detector to strictly sample the products in the back of the vehicle to determine an accuracy of the size, including positioning accuracy, geometric accuracy, and its contour accuracy.